Welcome to Model Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we are going to unbox the first Premier Collection model for 2025. Cosimo the Merguez. New mold. And they have different boxes. This is the box that it came in. Oh, that it shipped in. Okay, so other side's got my address on it. But this is the box it shipped in. Doesn't look like it was damaged, so it's in pretty good shape. Oh, jeez. I think this is new, is it? No, it's not. Inner box. So here is the inner box. Cosimo, first in the series. Ooh, that's pretty. Alrighty. Let's see, other side of the box. Looks like that. I know, my lights are too shiny. I ordered in matte. In case you're wondering, there we go with our certificate of authenticity. And then he comes in his collector bag. I think it's a boy. Might be a girl. I don't know. There are a lot of boys. So, undo the bag. And there's all of the yummy, yummy bubble wrap. How do I put that? Let's see if I can just get it to come off. If not, we'll cut it. I don't rush this because I only do this like the last half of the year. That's when they get the really pretty ones. Like all of the Premier Clubs end up available end of the year. So it's like June, July. And then that's when the releases come out. So this is Christmas. This is my Christmas to me. I don't get much for gifts anymore because I'm old and all the money goes up to the kids, the grandkids. All right, here we go. Oh. Shouldn't thunk them like that. That's his ear protection. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Can you see the dapples? They're star-shaped instead of round. I don't know if you can see that. Very subtle black dapple. He's not wobbly at all. Wow. Kind of reminds me of the Man of War, only this guy's sculpted way better. There we go. More dapples on this side. Definitely a boy. There's a VIN on the hoof. Okay. I like him. Look at that face. Very noble nose. I know what I like about that Roman-esque nose. Hopefully it's coming back into style. Tricolored eyes. Isn't that pretty? Whisker holes. Oh, that's awesome. Well, he's definitely, you can put tack on him. You could definitely show him performance. I wonder if I need to do that from now on, is just put a saddle on all of these so you guys can see. I mean, the bridle path isn't clean, but you can still put a bridle there. It's not too thick. So that's okay, even though I prefer them clean. I think with this guy we're fine. I'll have to look up the breed. Look at that face. That's really nice. Yeah, he's really nice. I'm still looking forward to the other releases. Just want to pet him, you know? Such a good boy. Such a good boy. All right, so as far as I can tell, he doesn't have any flaws. Definitely a stallion with that thick neck. But, man, he's beautiful. Just beautiful. He's worth the wait. All right, well, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel. Have yourself a really good day.